Out of the hundreds of flights I've taken in my life, I've never missed one. Until today. My flight to Hanoi takes off in about 30 minutes, and I'm not on the flight. I can't even blame the airlines because this was 100% my fault. Here's what happened. September 29th, 2023. That's when my Vietnam visa expires. Today is October 1st, and I had a flight to Hanoi. I was supposed to be in the air right now, but I put the wrong date on my visa, so this thing is useless. I like to say I'm pretty on top of things, but this was a pretty careless mistake. My friend Matt, who I'm traveling with, he got on his flight to Hanoi, so he'll be arriving there in about a couple hours. The goal is to get an emergency visa within 24 hours. I contacted an agency that does this. I paid $120 to get this expedited. They should have some more information for me tomorrow. Hopefully I can get it midday, early evening. So then I can book my flight for Tuesday back to Hanoi. The reason why it's important for me to be in Hanoi at the latest by Tuesday morning is because I have a flight back to the United States on Tuesday. I have my flight from Hanoi to Seattle on Tuesday evening. So if I'm not in Hanoi for that flight, this is going to be a very expensive boo-boo. But hey, look on the bright side. I just checked into this hotel, and you see what type of snacks they got for me? We got the Blackpink Oreos, and we got some Milo, some cup of noodles. I'm good to go, man. The funniest thing about this hotel is when I got here, it was completely locked. All the lights were off. It seemed like it was like abandoned or somebody was on vacation. But then after like knocking, somebody came, this lovely lady came and opened the door for me, let me in. And the reason why nobody was there to answer the door is because I'm the only one staying in this hotel. They had no reservations. I'm gonna go call my homie Matt to make sure that he got to Hanoi in one piece. This is his first time solo traveling internationally. I know he has it. I'm not too worried.
You know what's annoying though?
Tell me.
Ask for my visa.
Dude, that's hella funny, man. I could have slid in. I could have snuck in.
And you know what I saw there? Visa applications on the spot.
Bro, what the
So maybe that's just like an AirAsia policy or what? But
I don't know, dude. I mean, AirAsia, man, they are just like, they're kind of like very strict with everything, you know? No excess kilograms on the carry-ons. You gotta buy everything, you know, no switching seats on the plane. Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's all good. Like, I'm just glad you made it solo traveling. Yeah, dude, I don't know. Like, I got this Airbnb, but like, since it was so late in the day, I couldn't check in. So then now I got at this hotel. So I like double booked. I'm like triple booked tonight. We have the spa in Hanoi. I have an Airbnb in Bangkok, and I'm at a hotel. Everything should get sorted out, and I should have the visa by tomorrow, and this will all be kind of funny.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty funny to me. But just for logistical and financial sense, let's hope you get it Monday night at the latest.
Yeah, I mean, that's why we got the emergency fund, but hopefully we don't gotta use it. Matt made it to Vietnam, so I'm celebrating with a tasty Domino's pizza. I want to eat this, watch a TV show, hit the bed, and I'll keep you guys posted on what happens with this visa debacle. Peace. So it's the next morning and I come downstairs and they have the beautiful setup for me. They brought out some orange juice, some water, some strawberry yogurt to start off. Got this beautiful garden view, some kind of romantic music in the background. I don't know, I feel like a king. I feel like a king. So it's 9 a.m. right now. No update from the agency that's doing the expedited Vietnam visa for me. Hopefully we hear from them in the next few hours. I'm still contemplating whether I want to book another night here and just hang out around at the hotel, or just go to the airport and wait and see what happens. Most likely I'll just check out at noon and go to a coffee shop, work on a video, and keep my fingers crossed that I get some good news from the agency that's processing the visa. Now I'm on a mission to find a razor to tame this beast. Oh, what's up, buddy? Hello, how are you? I'm looking for a razor. Okay, perfect. Thank you, thank you. Oh, okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you so much. We got the goods. The bag is secured. Mission secured. And I think it works like... Wait. Now it's working. Perfect. So it's about 2 p.m. right now. I got word from the agency that's processing my visa that it'll be ready around 6 to 7 p.m. There's a 10 p.m. flight from Bangkok to Hanoi. I think I'm gonna go ahead and purchase that ticket. Keep my fingers crossed that that visa clears at 7, hop on the flight, arrive in Hanoi around 1 a.m., and then link up with Matt. Just got to the airport. It is packed. A lot of people charging their phones, sleeping. All the different seating arrangements all throughout the airports are taken. A lot of lines. This seems like the more popular airport than the one that I was at previously. All right, so it is 10:30 a.m. Not 10:30 a.m. It is 10:30 p.m. right now. My flight is allowing people to check in right now. Luckily, there's nobody in line. So I'm just gonna go over there, drop off my bags, and head to security. So I just made it through Thai customs, no issues. It took me 28 minutes to get through there. I'm pretty relieved, so I rewarded myself with a blizzard. They give you the opportunity to add whipped cream on top. I got a matcha green tea blizzard with Oreo pieces in it, so I'm gonna go find a place to sit down and enjoy this. My flight starts boarding in about 20 minutes. I've never been so relieved to board a flight. It's 5 a.m. right now. Just got to the apartment. I'm gonna try and catch some sleep. I'll catch you all in the morning. Good morning from Vietnam. Got 7 hours of sleep, feeling rejuvenized. I'm gonna check out Hanoi for about maybe 4 hours. Then we're gonna head to the airport and we have a flight to Taipei. Thank you guys so much for following along this journey. I appreciate the support, I appreciate the love. Be yourself and you'll make a difference. Peace.